Today I'm going to show you how to fix a common issue when you are trying to copy a file, in our case a video file, into your external USB drive. Now let's give it a try. If I copy this file and if I open and paste, I will get the following message. The file is too large for the destination system. Now let's see what we have. Our USB drive is a 30 gigabyte drive and it has almost 25 gigabytes of free disk space. Our video file, if we do properties, we can see it takes 5.2 gigabytes of space. So I should be able to copy this file into my USB drive. One of the reasons that you may have this problem is how your USB drive has been formatted, and the way that you can see that is if you right click on the drive and if you select properties. You can see that the file system has been formatted with FAT32 file system. Now, when you format a USB drive with this FAT32 file system, what it will do to the drive is it will enable the drive to transfer files that are larger than 4 gigabytes. Obviously, our file exceeds that limit, so we get the message that the file is too large for us to transfer into the USB drive. Now there are two ways for us to fix this. The first way for us to fix this is to format the drive, and into the file system section, instead of FAT32, we should select NTFS. The NTFS file system allows us to transfer larger files into our USB drives. We don't want that, because into our flash drive we have a couple of files that we want to keep. So lucky for us, there is another solution which will enable us to change the file system of the USB drive from FAT32 to NTFS, and I will show you how. Go to start and type in CMD, then right click and then run as administrator. You do yes, type in the following: convert space, then you have to take a note of the drive letter that your USB drive is. In our case it is the letter E, colon space / FS colon NTFS space / no security, and enter. Now this may take a while, so fast forwarding. Perfect. So after the process is completed, we should go to our USB drive, right click on it, properties, and we can see that the file system of the thumb drive, now it is set to NTFS. We have done this, and we have done this without formatting, and we kept our files. Now let's try this file, which is 5.2 gigabytes. If I do right click, copy video files, paste, and as you can see, the file copy is ongoing. And as you can see, guys, the video has been copied over to the USB drive. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care. Bye.